Ever feel like your airtime just evaporates into thin air? Well, it's time to banish those pesky, uninvited subscriptions from your MTN service. First, grab your phone. Now, open up your dial pad. It's time to act like a secret agent with a mission. Key in the USSD code *305#. It's as simple as that. Next, you're going to want to select option 1 for active services. That's right, dial 1 and step right into the heart of the subscription maze. Here they are, all your subscriptions lined up and ready for inspection. Now it's time to show them who's boss. Tap on any subscriptions you didn't sign up for. It's time to part ways. Just a click and you're free. Say goodbye to your subscription troubles. Feels good, right? Taking control of your mobile credit. Remember, a little digital housekeeping can go a long way. It can save you a whole lot of hassle, and not to mention your hard-earned money. And while you're here, why not become a part of our tech-savvy community? Give that like button some love, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell to join the MELI Digital Hub family. Stay savvy and take control of your digital life. We're here to navigate the tech world with you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll meet again in the next video. Until then, keep it digital, keep it MELI Digital Hub.
Giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings.